What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, friends and fam. Market up or down? The market was down today. Starting to put in a little short-term top here. So we've got a really interesting day. Let's get right into it. Check the brokerage. Apparently it wants to open up a second window. But you see here, General Mills, we did not have a sell order in, but it is pretty much at the sell target. And we've got these other ones. So we do need to put sell orders in for everything we can. We only have one day trade left. Remember, if you don't want to deal with that, switch to a cash account. There's nothing wrong with it. It just moves slower. So trading plan should be written down. What is the next step of the trading plan? The market's down. So I'm going to the screener. And we're looking for companies that we already have, right? Already on the list. We have confessions here. I know a few dirty jokes, but we'll leave that alone. Okay, so we're looking for stuff we already have on here. You can see here we've got the General Mills again, but it should go in the reverse snowball order, right? So let's go to the spreadsheet. First up, Western Union, and there it is. Take a quick look, make sure it still fits all the criteria. You can see awesome dividend, debt under 4. It's very high, very risky here. PEs are wonderful, and it makes money very steadily. 1057 on the Western Union. Pretty exciting to finally get some activity. We have a lot of cash, so we're not worried if the market's going down. And once you understand how money moves, you got better odds on moving with it. And that's what we do. So I'm only going to take one share. We try to keep the position sizing to 1% of the total account, which would be $15. I'm not doing any partial shares here. Don't want to go over. So that's what it is. So this one will probably be a little bit longer of a video. We actually have some things to discuss. So buckle in, drop a like, and this will be our one day trade here. First trigger's the second. Just trying to buy one and sell two. Very simple. Always limit. Good till cancel with extended hours, always. So I'm just going to buy the closing print, 1057. It's the same closing print for me as it is for you. If you look at it at any point tonight, and we need a sell price. So you add these up, divide by 2. That's the average. I'll take that number times 1.01, and that's what I'm going to use. So pause the video, do that math for yourself, and we'll just throw it right in. So that's one down. Ship it back to the spreadsheet, on to the next one. HASI. Is it on the screener? It is. It's a REIT. It's a real estate service. It's not a REIT. Alright. So is there anything that's saying, hey, don't buy this? Just looking for reasons to not buy. Nope, everything looks good here too. 2754. Wait a minute. We canceled the buy on this yesterday, didn't we? We'll get in here. We'll just get right in, no big deal. We missed out on it yesterday, I believe. I'll have to check on the app. But remember, we're out of day trade, so the process becomes very simple from now. And I'll pull up the app here and just see what we had going on. But I don't think it could have sold in the after hours. I don't know. Just going to take one, trying to keep to our 1%. 27.54. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. Bada bing, bada boom. And we're in. Okay, can't see my face. Check out my face. I don't use this very often. That's not it. They make them all different too. Well, I have no idea. Orders. Okay, it shows the one we just did. What's going on with Hassie here? Canceled. Okay, I thought so. I thought so. So, got that in. CNXC. And remember why we do go in this order is because math is our market advantage. You need an edge in the market or else you're just gambling. There we are, CNXC. Real quick, we're going to fly through these now. Everything looks good here. Closing print 39.79. This one dropped quite a bit. Ask yourself this. This is where people get nervous. Oh no, it went down. Yeah, it does about half the time. One of the criteria, which we haven't went over in a while, but the criteria for the screener, one of them is profitability over the next 5 years. So ask yourself this: has it been 5 years? If the answer is no, then be patient. Remember, we are kind of out of trades here, so these are just going to be canceling the sell orders and just doing the buys. And this is deploying capital at its finest. Just going to take one again. We talked about the 1% limit, good till cancel, extended hours. And it's been a cool journey to see what $10 a week has done. It's pretty nice. 64.26. And yeah, 64.26. Nice and easy to go pretty fast now. But a few minutes a day, you know. I'm tired. This is just me just going through it. But 64.71. And you think, wow, why are we buying it higher than we bought it last time? It still fits the system. It's a rule-based trading approach that I developed for myself. You will have to develop your own as well. You cannot just blindly follow me. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's me just sharing what I do as a regular working stiff um, to help create money for something really big, um, like the charity. Something bigger than me. Limit, good till cancel, extended hours. But when I was starting, it was nice to put extra income in the household. We didn't have any extra. It's nice to have a little extra. Next one, CE. Celanese. It's dumping off hard, isn't it? Just looking for a reason to not take it. I don't see one. 73.94. You can see how much more fun it gets when you got more money. And we started with 200 bucks and $10 a week deposit, and it has over 7x the initial investment. So that is how I turn active income into passive income. It's been interesting going back to work, man. I talked to a lot of different people. They're normally different walks of life that I'm normally talking about to. Limit, good till cancel, extended hours. And it's very interesting. And it kind of takes me back to kind of the way I thought about money my whole life till I kind of figured out how it worked. And it's fun. NUS. I hope that's not on there. We've been back holding that, but again, that's the reason we had the name for the channel. I don't sell for loss, period. We're gonna hold it till it goes out of business. Whatever happens, that's it. So it's not on here. So now we have to look and see how much money we have left. We still have $900 left. Tons of money. So what's the next step of the trading plan? Is it written down? Write it down. Universe. My universe of stocks. So I'll just start top to bottom. I'm not picking out, oh, this is my favorite universe stock. No, top to bottom. Brown-Forman's in my universe. Immediately the PEs are too high for me. We're following the same approach, although there's a little bit of wiggle on some of the better high-end companies. Again, PEs are too high, even for Edison. It's a great company. I'm not selling it in my investment account, just hanging on. And we have Merck. And this one is very close. It is over the 15, but very close. I've been buying it in the main account. It's just close, and it's a good company. So we'll just start at the top of the list now and go through them. Too high PEs. We're just pointing out what I see. So if you want to pause the video now, go through, look at all these, and come back to the video and let her rip and see buy or no buy. Make you a little list, and we'll see if we agree or disagree and why for. PEs are too high. Fortune. PEs are too high. Right? Price is what you pay, but value is what you get. Or we looked at that one. Organon. Crazy debt. That's insane debt. Remember, debt equals risk. Okay? Company doesn't have a lot of debt. It's not going out of business. They'll lever up first. You can see here, we've got a standard set of little D's. You know, I love the little D's. And we got dividends. Debt's reasonable. PEs look awesome. And they're having a bad year this year for earnings. But typically they do better than that. So 25.58 RPRX. Simple, right? And remember, most of the days we don't have anything to talk about. We just move on with our day. But today we have some stuff to talk about. The election definitely has brought some volatility. I don't care who you wanted to win. That doesn't really matter to me. Because at the end of the day, we still got to take care of business here for ourselves. Remember, just one share, just trying to get 1% of the account going. Limit order, good till cancel with extended hours. Boom. All right. Back to the list. And we're about done. This one drug on, but still only 14 minutes. We did Western Union already. We're done. See? Usually 5 to 10 minutes. This one went a little long, plus I had to look at the app and I drug us along. So if you made it to the end, hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for me. I appreciate that. And share it with people. That, if I was aware of this kind of thing, I would have taken action. But just understand that probably 90% plus or even more, they don't care, man. So they're just going to stay poor slaves, and that's okay. And they probably live a better life than I do. I find a lot of enjoyment in this, and it's going to be fun giving it all away. So I hope you all have a great evening. I hope you are making a little bit of cash in this market. It's been a heck of a run. Big picture, don't get worried that we're going to crash out. It could happen, but it's been going up for so far, man. And look at the 1-year chart and compare that to your 401k investments and all of your, if you have a Edward Jones or any kind of a, stockbroker on your team, compare them. Hold their feet to the fire. Look at apples to apples. This is something you can do. You have to make your own decision, but there's tons of free information out there. If you got questions, reach out. I'm just here to help. I got nothing to sell you. Have an awesome evening. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.